This is a 2015 Acura MDX Advanced package. There are 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. You can view the vehicle history report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has a power lift gate. It seats 7 passengers. And the third row bench folds down very flat, you can see. And then there's a 12-volt port for the back passengers. There's the button to close the power lift gate. It has aluminum alloy rims. Let's zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. The interior is black leather. Here's the middle row. You have a working DVD player, nice large screen. There are the controls for the back passengers. And then the side passengers on the middle row have heated seats. There's their climate controls, auxiliary and headphone ports. To access the third row, you push that button there, and then it slides right forward. Here's the back row, third row. And then there's a button too if you're a passenger in the back to move the seat forward. Let's go up front. You have dual power seats. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have, let's see here, lane departure warning, traction control, and then over there you have blind spot monitoring, power seats for the driver, power locks, power windows. You have the push button start, collision warning. Again, this button here kind of alerts you if you're departing out of your lines. There's your navigation screen, is where your backup camera is. Your audio display, climate control, dual climate control up front, and there's your navigation controls. That's where the DVD goes. You have a 12-volt port in here. And you have an auxiliary port, USB, and another 12-volt port there. And here's your sunroof and your sunroof controls. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Acura MDX out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!